Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most exciting upgrades in Android history. Android 16 now comes with a native Linux terminal featuring full hardware acceleration and GUI support. Yep, you heard that right. A full Debian-based Linux environment with graphical apps running natively on your phone. Traditionally, Android has been all about mobile-first experiences. But Android 16 flips the script. With its integrated Linux terminal, it's now possible to run desktop-grade tools and applications directly on your Android device. No rooting, no hacks, and no third-party workarounds. Thanks to the Android Virtualization Framework and protected KVM, Android now supports a fully sandboxed Linux VM. This isn't Termux or Userland. This is a real Debian system, running in a secure VM with its own Linux kernel and access to your GPU. Getting started is surprisingly simple. First, go to System Settings, then About Phone. I'm using the Pixel 8a in this video, but this feature will be available on all Android 16 devices, just like DSU. To begin, enable developer options by tapping the build number 7 times in the About Phone section. Once developer options are enabled, go back to the main system settings, scroll down to developer options, and turn on the Linux developer environment from the developer option. After enabling the feature, open your app drawer where you'll find a new terminal app, launch it. On first use, it will prompt you to download the Linux environment. Go ahead and allow the download. Once that's done, your terminal will be ready, giving you access to a fully functional Linux shell with sudo access right out of the box. You can install packages using apt-run servers, write scripts, or even test AI models like Gemma using tools like Llama. Node.js and Python can also be installed with a single command. Additionally, the app lets you resize your virtual disk and manage other Linux environment settings easily. Now here's the real kicker: GUI apps are finally supported. Thanks to Wayland, the Western compositor, and native GPU rendering, you can now run graphical Linux apps right on your phone. That includes code editors, image tools, and even classic games like Doom. It's all hardware accelerated and runs surprisingly smooth, especially when connected to an external display using Android's desktop mode. This isn't just a toy, it's a full dev environment in your pocket. This video was recorded on my brother's Pixel 8a, as I don't currently own a device running Android 16. That's why you're seeing a screen recording instead of a full studio setup. Due to limited time, I couldn't include the proper GUI configuration in this video, but I still wanted to get this information out to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for understanding. There are some trade-offs. File access is restricted to the Downloads folder, which is by design for security reasons, and audio support for GUI apps isn't fully confirmed yet. Something to keep in mind. Startup time can be a bit slow, around 15 to 20 seconds since the VM runs on KVM, but once it's up, performance is solid. And if you're on mobile data, don't forget to enable unrestricted access for the terminal app to fix any internet issues. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.